Hello everyone, my name is Nidhish Singh and I'm member of SCCA for 12 years and I'm also Vice President in JP Morgan leading the transformation and application platforms of the bank. I am often getting the queries from SCCA students, those who are at the professional level papers, which paper to choose in options. Often they are comfortable between tax versus advanced performance management, but most of the time the dilemma is between AAA, the advanced audit paper, audit and assurance, and in advanced financial management. So the doubt is which one to choose, which one is better, and which can open better doors for career and future. So though I agree it is subjective choice, it depends on your like, choice, and preferences, which paper you have done earlier, etc. So if all other factors do not matter and you have already factored those matters, then I would say that there are difference in the market that you can obviously cater after doing AFM versus AAA. The scope for advanced financial management, again, in my personal views, is wider for AFM, much bigger for advanced financial management, because essentially in advanced financial management, you cover and actually develop the specialization, get a better expert in the field of capital market products that includes derivatives, their utilization, the valuation, making the financial strategy, hedging the business exposure, speculation, margin, trading, P&L management, and what are the other capital market products such as equity, bonds, their valuation, their features, the structure of the capital market products such as all the derivative, equity, bonds. So that helps one to get an overall and large view of the entire business scenario. So AFM helps you get ready for financial and business world, retail banking, financial services sector, and general businesses as well, because you know how to hedge different financial product and the instruments. The market is growing quite exponentially nowadays. Financial market and the stock markets are on the massive bullish curve, except for a few days in last couple of days. So in general, we are seeing that AFM papers open the doors for many careers, because these instruments are used in almost all the businesses for one reason or another. In addition to this, there are big businesses opening up in the area of alternative investment, which is private equity hedge funds. They are getting trillions and trillions dollar worth of investments. And this $1 trillion worth of investments means that entire world's GDP, one quarter of that, 25% of the entire world's GDP are being invested through one of these financial products. In that case, if you have a good understanding of alternative investment products, capital market products, it will open a bigger career options for you. Of course, then the remuneration rewards, those things are not as critical, but they are also good for this sector. You can move from one role to another role, one industry to another industry. There is a massive demand. Hence, it is much more popular amongst students. It offers greater career choices. As opposed to this, if we compare with audit and assurance papers, advanced one, this is great for those who want to make the career in audit field. If they want to deep dive into that, they are already probably working in the audit companies. So to get the expertise in that area, it is essential to be good in audit papers, and you can choose AAA. But if your choice is not audit in future, if you want to make the career in the audit, and if you want to go into retail banking or any financial services, investment banking, or trading businesses, financial advisory, or any such project management even, then advanced financial management will give you an edge and lead. It will also give you more confidence to deal with the businesses. It will give you a good grasp of the product. Hence, I believe that is a better career choice. However, it is my personal opinion, and just wanted to share with you, and hope it is useful. In case of any question, query, or doubt, you can leave the comment and I'll make another video for clarification. Thank you so much and best of luck.